Hello everyone, it's Dr. Sam. I'd like to welcome you to my EyeClarity podcast. This is a show that offers cutting-edge information on how to improve your vision and overall wellness through holistic methods. I so appreciate you spending part of your day with me. If you have questions, you can send them to hello@drsambyrne.com. Now, to the latest EyeClarity episode. Hey folks, it's Dr. Sam, and I want to welcome you to another EyeClarity podcast. So today I'm going to take a question from a listener who lives in Canada. She's been following me for quite a while. She's just been diagnosed with a condition called anterior Blepharitis and Demodex Mites. So this particular condition wreaks havoc on our eyelids and our corneas. You know, whenever we're talking about Demodex tiny mites, these live either in the hair follicles of the eyelashes or near the sebaceous glands. These produce the oily part of the tears that cover the cornea. This is highly contagious. It really creates a lot of things like itchiness, redness, inflammation, greediness. And anyway, she wants to know what would be a good thing to use. Well, whenever I think of blepharitis, I'm thinking about eyelid inflammation. And on top of that, when you've got these mites living in the hair follicles, if you want to go more integrative, holistic, I would think about tea tree oil. As an aromatherapist, I feel that tea tree is one of my go-to as an antifungal, antiviral, even antibacterial agent. And there are products out on the market that either can be in the form of a foam or a mist. You can't really put tea tree oil directly on the eyelids or the eyelashes because it's too highly concentrated. So the way that I would do this is I would look for some tea tree oil soap or maybe some kind of a foaming tea tree. They sell those on the market. You can even get tea tree eyelid wipes. So the eyes are closed and you can wipe the eyelids away. And you have to do this, I would say, maybe 3 times a day. And then in addition, I would consider using some hydrating eye drops like Optique or Similacin along with MSM during the day. I like the MSM massage on the eyelids as well. Some people will use an Eye Bright tea compress. This would be a warming compress that you could use for about 10 minutes on the eyes. Again, the combination of keeping your eyes hydrated, reducing inflammation, and using an agent like tea tree would be the way to go. On a systemic basis, of course, increasing your fats and oils, your vitamin A especially, and then using those great antioxidants like bilberry and lutein, zeaxanthin, and astaxanthin that I talk about. These would be very helpful in terms of boosting your eye circulation and your eye health. And then I would use the end palm hum exercise a few times a day, and of course wearing blue blocking glasses for all my screen time. So I think if you're really consistent with both the tea tree and the eye drops, I think that you can get rid of this condition. Remember, with blepharitis, this is a chronic inflammation of the eyelids. I feel there's always a systemic reason that feeds into the eye inflammation. And so really checking out your diet, your stress levels, your ability to boost your immune health. These are all factors involved in being able to turn this condition around. So that's my tip for today. I wish you all the best. Thanks for the question. Okay, everybody, until next time, take care. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from the EyeClarity podcast show today. If you enjoyed the episode, make sure to subscribe on iTunes or Spotify and leave a review. See you here next time.